Well, welcome to this product support video for the ALLTEST DOA 154 recruitment. This is a new combination that's come on catalogue this year. Carton, if you buy the full 25 test pack shown in front of you. The references on here are simple DOA 154. Each carton will have the lot number, expiry date and standard IVD for CE marking on them. Combination is as follows. Opiates at 300 milligrams, MOP 300, cocaine and metabolites at 150 nanograms, amphetamine at 500, ketamine at 100, and cannabis THC at 20. That is all ultra-sensitive detection cut-offs, which make this stand out from the standard recruitment and other drug testing panels. Inside the full professional carton is the data sheet. If you're buying these individually as self or home tests, then the simplified instruction sheet will be supplied with each one of these foils. And these are the foil outers in standard ALLTEST CE mark foils. Again, all the data that we've just run through on the carton is repeated on the reverse of each one of these panels. And they are simple to use, covered 5-prong panels, dipping in urine. Give results in 5 to 10 minutes, and the results should be read at the specified read time for these, which is no more than 5 minutes after dipping in alcohol. Very quick, simple and reliable test to use. Combination on this is worth just a little bit of covering. We've combined the cocaine, amphetamine, opiates and cannabis with a ketamine screen due to the evolving drug habits of the under 35 recreational drug users, where we see increasing amounts of ketamine being consumed in the UK in combination largely with cocaine use. The cannabis membrane we've put on here is the ultra-sensitive 20 nanogram to allow detection down to that level. There's no specific scientific data that extends detection beyond the specified 30-day maximum for even heavy sustained cannabis use. But it's certainly going to be the case that if this drug test detects cannabis, it will do so at that lower level compared to a standard 50 nanogram test. So a little bit of background information in terms of why we've gone for that combination. And these are available for sale now individually or in cartons of 25 and multiples on the UK drug testing website.